So you hit a curb and damage your wheels. Look, it happens, no shame, but now what? You're gonna take it to a car dealership and you're gonna have them replace it. And boom, they're gonna surprise you with the OEM replacement cost that typically starts at $300 per wheel. You're not about to spend that kind of money just to get rid of some curb rash. I mean, come on. Let's start looking into having them repaired. This can be a very confusing process. All sorts of claims and guarantees present themselves, and you, like most normal people, have no idea exactly what you're looking for. Because normal people typically never had wheel repair cross their mind unless they really need it. But that's okay. I'm here to help you out. As a general rule of thumb, you'll probably want to avoid mobile wheel repair and fix-it today shops. I mean, it can be pretty tempting to go that route because of their low prices and quick turnaround time, but those perks are usually hidden behind low quality repairs and poor reliability. Any shop that offers to fix your wheels in a matter of hours will be using paint as opposed to powder coat. And guys, this is actually pretty significant because your wheels are so vulnerable to damages and rust and dirt within the road, and you need something that's extremely durable. And powder coat is a lot more durable than paint is. It's kind of like cement. It sticks to the wheel and it's long lasting. If your wheels are structurally damaged, for example, they're bent or they have a crack in them, you will definitely, at this point, want to avoid the cheap option. Trust me, I can't tell you the amount of welds we have to re-repair due to a poor initial job. You're not saving any money if you have to pay for it twice. Realistically, to get a wheel cosmetically repaired, you want it to be fully refinished. And that process includes you stripping down the wheel to the bare metal, just checking it for any structural damages like a bend or a fracture, and we build it back up using a primer, a base coat, and we add a protective clear coat to ensure durability and a long-lasting finish. At that point, you are looking at a little bit of a costly finish. Typically starts at $165 per wheel, and the turnaround time is usually 48 to 72 hours. But trust me guys, once you get that wheel fully refinished, now it's gonna look and function like a factory OEM wheel at a fraction of the cost. If you have any questions whether your wheel is repairable or not, simply reach out to us. We have a team that is here to help you. We are dedicated to providing you the best information to make sure that you are safe on the road. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see exactly what happens on our production line as we operate 24 hours. Do not miss it. Subscribe today.